In this question, we have to explain the role of the given compounds in following processes. In the first one, it is given sodium cyanide is used in the separation of zinc sulfide and lead sulfide. In the separation of zinc sulfide and lead sulfide, sodium cyanide is used as a selective depressant. It prevents the flotation of lead sulfide by forming soluble lead cyanide complexes while allowing zinc sulfide to float and be separated. The second one is role of silicon dioxide in metallurgy of copper containing iron as impurity. Silicon dioxide reacts with iron oxide present in the ore to form iron silicate slag. This slag is less dense than molten metal and can be easily separated from copper. By forming slag, SiO2 helps in the removal of iron impurities from copper. This ensures that the final copper product is purer and of higher quality. The third one is the role of iodine in the refining of titanium. In the refining of titanium, iodine is used to produce titanium tetrachloride TiCl4 from titanium ore. Iodine reacts with titanium ore to form titanium tetrachloride and iodine dioxide. This titanium tetrachloride is a volatile compound and can be easily separated from the impurities and further processed to obtain pure titanium metal. So iodine helps in converting titanium ore into titanium tetrachloride and facilitating the separation and refining of titanium. For each of these one, you will get 1 mark. So the total mark will be 3.